proper terms. From ratio terms to proper assigning values to it, how do? We multiply by a common factor. Okay, because see, 2x by 3x, x and x getting cancelled, so we know that is 2:3. So we cannot say A is 2 years, B is 3 years. We will say A is 2x years, B is 3x years. Because the common, when do two numbers get reduced to a ratio? When the common factor between them is getting eliminated or cancelled. So when we remove the common factor, we are getting 2:3. But here, when we are converting from ratio to numbers, we are not sure what was the common factor that has been reduced. So we are taking it arbitrarily x. So 2x and 3x. So similarly here, the ages were in the ratio. This is the present ages. Okay. The present ages are in the ratio 9:4. So let the present ages of A and B be 9x years and 4x years. Alright, clear? We have converted from ratio to ages by just multiplying each of the term of the ratio with a constant, that is x, a common factor, x. Now, 7 years hence, hence means later. So 7 years hence, the ratio of the ages later on, or 7 years hence. So 7 years later or hence, whatever. What is the age? So age will be 9x plus 7 years respectively. Alright, so A's age is 9x plus 7 because A's age was 9x years presently. So after 7 years, the age will increase by 7. So 9x plus 7 years.